This is what happens when you put aluminum foil in your toilet. When you think of home hacks and DIY solutions, there are few items as versatile and ubiquitous as aluminum foil. From the kitchen to the garden, this shiny sheet of metal has found its way into numerous aspects of daily life. But one of the more curious uses that has been making the rounds lately involves placing aluminum foil balls in your toilet tank. It sounds a bit odd, doesn't it? Yet many people swear by this life hack, and it's super easy to do. Simply cut a few sheets of aluminum foil, crumple them into golf-sized balls, and gently place them inside the tank. Alright, let's examine this peculiar practice more closely and explore whether it truly stands up to scrutiny. How it's supposed to work. The theory behind placing aluminum foil balls in the toilet tank is based on the chemical properties of aluminum. When aluminum comes into contact with water, it releases tiny amounts of metal ions. These ions are believed to have antimicrobial properties, which could theoretically inhibit the growth of bacteria, mold, and mildew in the toilet bowl. Despite the lack of scientific backing for this hack, testimonials across blogs and social media platforms highlight how folks have experienced cleaner toilets with less frequent scrubbing required. Potential downsides. The aluminum foil hack might seem like a nifty trick, but there are some potential downsides to be aware of. First off, let's talk about corrosion. Over time, the water mixed with residue from toilet cleaners start to corrode the aluminum, and those shiny foil balls slowly disintegrate into tiny pieces and float around in your toilet tank. Now, this might not sound like a big deal, but those particles could cause some issues. They might get caught in the tank's mechanisms, like the flapper or the fill valve, and interfere with the toilet's flushing system. Suddenly, your efficient DIY hack could turn into an unexpected plumbing problem. And nobody wants that, right? Not to mention, most toilets come with a warranty that specifies certain conditions for coverage. Introducing foreign objects into the tank often voids these warranties. This could lead to significant out-of-pocket expenses for repairs or replacements. Then, there's the psychological aspect. Putting those foil balls in the tank could also give you a false sense of security. You might start to think, hey, I don't need to clean my toilet as often now. But let's be real. Aluminum foil balls aren't a miracle cure for all toilet woes. Your toilet still needs regular cleaning to stay hygienic. Skipping this could mean you're overlooking the buildup of grime and bacteria in places the foil balls can't reach. Another thing to consider is the environmental impact. I mean, flushing down corroded pieces of aluminum isn't exactly eco-friendly. Aluminum production is energy-intensive, and recycling corroded, small pieces is challenging. When these pieces enter the water system, they contribute to pollution and can disrupt wastewater treatment processes. So while you're trying to cut down on time you spend cleaning the toilet, you could actually be contributing to environmental waste. It's something to think about if you're environmentally conscious. The question remains, is it worth a try? In the end, keeping a clean home often involves a mix of tried and true methods and innovative hacks. Whether you stick with traditional cleaning supplies or venture into the world of DIY solutions, the goal remains the same: a cleaner, more comfortable living space. While the aluminum foil hack sounds like a fun and interesting experiment, it does have its own set of potential issues. So if you decide to give it a try, make sure you're still keeping up with regular toilet maintenance and be prepared to address any unexpected consequences. After all, it's always better to be safe than sorry. For more practical ways to use aluminum foil, check out another video we made where we share several handy and surprising uses for it around the house. From kitchen hacks to creative household tips, you're sure to find something new and useful. Watch now and get inspired to make the most of this versatile item. The link is in the description below. Thank you for watching. If you found this video informative, please give it a like and share it with your friends and family, as it helps us produce more valuable content. To stay up to date with our latest videos, remember to hit the subscribe button and enable notifications so you never miss out on any future content.